Properly primed and cemented joints are essential for a leak-free plastic pipe system. Follow these steps to join small diameter pipes with a fail-proof bond. Applying primer is an extremely important step in creating a first-class, long-lasting joint. Primer softens the joint areas so the joint can fuse together. Without primer, fusion is weak and a joint may fail. Before you prime, check the penetration or softening ability of the primer on a scrap piece by scraping a few thousandths of an inch. This will help gauge the proper amount of primer and rotational force to be applied to the joining surfaces during actual installation. Now, apply the primer. Tilt the fitting socket downward, vigorously working the primer into the fitting socket and keeping the surface and applicator wet until the surface has been softened. Remove any puddles. In the same manner, apply the primer to the end of the pipe equal to the depth of the fitting socket. Then, apply a second round of primer to the fitting socket. Don't allow primer to run down the inside of the fitting or pipe. In the case of bell-end pipe, don't allow the primer to run past the bell socket into the pipe. For each application, rotate the applicator at least 10 times to ensure proper primer coating. Shake the can of solvent cement. While the joining surfaces are still wet and without hesitation, apply the solvent cement in a full, even layer onto the pipe outside diameter, equal to the depth of the fitting socket. Then immediately apply a medium layer of solvent cement to the fitting socket. Without delay, apply a second, even layer of cement on the pipe. For each application, rotate the applicator at least 10 times to ensure proper cement coating. Most joint failures are caused by insufficient application of cement. Again, do not let the cement run down the inside of the fitting or pipe. Working quickly, assemble the pipe and fitting while the cement is still wet. If it's not completely wet, recoat before assembly. Push the fitting onto the pipe and rotate it an 1/8 to 1/4 turn until it reaches the pipe stop. Do not continue to rotate the fitting after the pipe has reached the socket bottom. The checkmark measurement on the pipe will help verify that the pipe is fully inserted into the fitting socket. Hold the joint together for 30 seconds or more. This will eliminate movement or joint push-out. Finally, wipe off the excess cement, including the ring or bead around the socket entrance. This will help the joint to cure faster. Avoid disturbing the joint as it cures. Follow the Weld-On Set and Cure timetable before handling or hydro-testing the piping system. With these steps in mind, you're ready to join small diameter pipes with the best possible results. Visit our page to learn more and see other tutorials.